intentionally? Please clarify this.
Whether the movie is related to Sridevi ji or not, that's up to you guys to decide. You guys have to watch the movie and then decide if it's related to her story or not.
Is this about the incident that happened during her sad demise? Because even she died in the same position what we have seen in the teaser. Or are you successful? Your marketing strategy, your marketing team successful? What you want audience to think about it.
As I said, it's up to you guys to decide if there's anything in the story which relates to Sridevi. So yeah.
Did you ever thought of with your winking style make you so famous?
Not at all. That was an on-the-spot thing that we did. I never expected it to be this viral or accepted in any ways. But then I'm very happy and I'm feeling very blessed that it happened.
Are we going to see you playing Sridevi in the film?
Sorry?
Are we going to see you playing Sridevi in the film?
Yes, I'll be the female central role. I'll be playing Sridevi, who's an actress, who's a lady superstar in the movie.
Francis, good to see you.
What about your first
Likewise, brother.
one which is not screen?
My first movie, which is Oru Adarla.
Yeah, Malayalam.
Yeah, it is a Malayalam movie and it's going to be released on Feb 14th in 4 languages, which is going to be happening the very first time for a Malayalam movie being released in 4 languages. It's going to be released in Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada.
And Kairali people, can you say some word for it? I'm here from Kairali people. Can you say some word for it?
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. എൻ്റെ ടീസർ ആദ്യത്തെ ഹിന്ദി പടത്തിൻ്റെ ടീസർ ഇപ്പോൾ റിലീസായിരിക്കുകയാണ്. എല്ലാവരും കാണുക, ആക്സെപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, എല്ലാവരുടെയും പ്രാർത്ഥന വേണം. ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഒരു ഹിന്ദി മൂവി ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. എല്ലാവരെയും സപ്പോർട്ടും പ്രാർത്ഥനയും വേണം മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാൻ.
प्रिया जी, आपने जैसा कि हमने स्टार्टिंग में ही देखा, आपने अपने अंदाज से सारी दुनिया का जो है दिल जीत लिया था. इस फिल्म में कौन कौन सी ऐसी आपकी स्टाइल होगी, आपके ऐसे अंदाज होंगे जो सभी को बहुत पसंद आने वाली? क्योंकि हमने ट्रेलर देखा, टीजर देखा, जितना भी था बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. तो आप पे कौन कौन सी स्टाइल होंगी जो लोगों को बहुत ही पसंद आने वाली?
In this movie, I think the director has a lot of faith in me, and I really want to do justice to the role. And the character is a very bubbly person. At the same time, she's very bold, and she's very outspoken also. So I hope that I do justice to it. Yeah.
And it's really good to see you.
Thank
Start
you.
with you. Though you belong to, there is no industry, as such industry, Tollywood, as she said rightly inside. But you know Bollywood very well. So, sir, I hope I can understand your emotions. But we have to hear. Sir, really good to see you. Do you feel as an individual, because you have been part of the Hindi film industry and you have seen Sridevi's work, and you also, witnessed the said incident? Does it give you a feel it is a story about Sridevi, how she died? These are
I mean, it definitely creates a curiosity. It does create a curiosity, you're right about that. But then, whether the film has anything to do with that will only be answered when the film releases. So, I don't want to kill your curiosity.
Do you think it is right to encash something which is not that good?
I don't think that was the idea. Because it's been a long time in works and in production and in writing and in preparation. So, but like I said, we don't want to reveal anything right now, and which is going to affect the fate of the film.
If I talk about you, what character you see you playing in the film?
It's a very interesting role. I've never done this before, and when Prashant Bhai, when he narrated it to me, I was excited. I was like, this is something that I've never done before. It's a very complex, complicated, yet at the same time sophisticated, flamboyant, and you never can tell, which way it's going to go.
And Priya
What
ji,
do you want to say about your preparation in the film as your playing Sridevi? So how's your preparation and how's the experience in this character?
As I told you guys, it's just my second movie, so I think I can do my best here. And I'm preparing well for it. I've not done any homeworks as such, but then I think I can do it.
Where you about to enter Bollywood? Do you have any favorites? Do you have any, like, have you seen Bollywood movies? Do you have any favorite actors or actresses which you can?
I do watch a lot of Bollywood movies, and my favorite is obviously Deepika Padukone. Who doesn't love her?
Priyanshu, continue. Deepika and
The actor is obviously Ranveer Singh.
एंड प्रिया जी करूँ क्योंकि उरी की स्क्रीनिंग में भी आपकी मुलाकात हुई रणवीर सिंह से, बहुत सारे एक्टर्स से मुलाकात हुई, कुछ आपकी बातें हुई कि आपका प्रोजेक्ट उनके साथ में करने की, एंड वहाँ पर हमने देखा विकी कौशल भी थे, वरुण धवन भी थे, तो अगर आप कुछ बता सकें हमें.
It was the very first time that I'm meeting all these people, so it was very new to me, but then I really had a great time watching Uri. Uri is a really nice movie, and it was really sweet of Vicky Kaushal to invite me to the screening. I got to talk to a lot of people there, and they were really sweet to me. They were very welcoming, which was really overwhelming for me.
Yeah, so historic wing of yours. Have you repeated again after that sometime? After that, the historic wing?
I've done it a lot of times in front of media. Other than that, I've not winked at any guy or anything.
So Priya, जब बॉलीवुड का आप हिस्सा हो, आप बॉलीवुड में एंटर करने जा रहे हैं, अभी हाल ही में आज एक न्यूज़ आई है कि राजकुमार रानी पे उन पे केस किया गया है कि सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट को लेकर, और विकी भी उस फिल्म का हिस्सा थे. उस पर आपका क्या कहना है, और आप भी बॉलीवुड का हिस्सा होने या कुछ फियर भी आपके मन में इस तरह की बातें अब आप सुनती हैं?
I don't know how to answer to that question actually. Yeah, obviously everyone has this tension when they are entering into the film industry. Obviously everyone has that. But then I dreamt of becoming an actress from a very young age. So that's my dream. So all the tensions apart, I really want to do this.
Yeah, Sridevi was very good in dancing and all. How are you in dancing?
I've learned classical dance when I was young, and I think I can manage to dance also.
You can manage, but not.
I wouldn't say I'm a great dancer, but then yeah, I can manage to dance.
But then it's a film, right? So it's teamwork. So the choreographer comes in, then there's rehearsals. So finally the end product is going to be much better than her capability, right? It's teamwork.
Priya, you walking around you, have you seen any of this what?
Yes, I've seen a lot of his works.
He's senior than you.
Yes.
What will be learning from him?
Yes, I'm going to get a lot to learn from him.
Priyanshu, happy New Year to both of you.
Same to you.
You have surprised everyone with your coming in the new year with unannounced. Was it a plan to amaze everyone and come down in this film industry and make an announcement? Because no one knew that you were coming here and you started entertaining everybody.
It was not planned. When the director came up with the script, I found it very interesting, and it's a heroine-oriented movie, so I felt the script was very strong. So it would give me a good start in Bollywood, so I thought I'd go with it.
हिंदी में comfortable है बोलने में?
हिंदी में comfortable हूँ, पर थोड़ा सा अटक जाऊंगी बीच में तो.
अच्छे बोल रहे हैं.
What about the location? Malayalam movie location है हिंदी में.
ओके प्रियांशु, आप दोनों से सवाल है कि जब हम ट्रेलर जो हमने अभी तक देखा, जितने भी टीजर हमने देखा, वो हम सबको या कोई भी देखेगा और जो भी श्रीदेवी को जानता है या उनका फैन रहा है, एक जहन में सवाल आता है, क्या ये श्रीदेवी की जो उनका देहांत हुआ उस पर कहानी है? क्या आपको इस बात का डर है कहीं श्रीदेवी के घर से भी इस बात को लेकर ऑब्जेक्ट करें कि
ये सवाल आपका वाजिब है, लेकिन ये सवाल हमारी तरफ ना बनता है, ये बनता है प्रोड्यूसर और डायरेक्टर की तरफ. हम लोग तो सिर्फ टीम का हिस्सा अपना अपना किरदार निभाएंगे, तो बुलाइए.
What's your take on that?
I'd like to stick to what he said.
Priya, you have to be on independent.
पार्ट बनना चाहती है जो हाल ही में रिलीज हुई है हिंदी में. अगर आपको एक अवसर दिया जाता है, if you would have given a chance, which film would you like to be part of?
Like very recently?
Yeah, recently.
अच्छी बोलती हो आप, बोलिए।
मैं चाहूँगी कि सिम्बा का पार्ट बनो।
जी, और बेटा आँख मारे
हाँ लड़की, हाँ ओके।
और रणवीर सिंह से आप मिले, आपने कहा कि भाई सारा की जगह मुझे होना चाहिए था।
There were a lot of rumors that मैं कर रही हूँ सिम्बा में, और I wish that was true because I'm a great fan of his. मैंने उनको देखा कल और मैंने बताया उनको कि I'm a big fan of yours, और उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि I really like your wink, which was overwhelming for me.
लोगों को सालों लग जाते हैं रणवीर सिंह को पास पहुंचने में और सेल्फी लेने में। आपने तो मुंबई में आने के 48 घंटे में ही काम कर लिया।
I'd like to thank Vicky for that, for inviting me to watch Uri. बिल्कुल एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था कि रणवीर सिंह आने वाले थे, और I was literally freezing there watching him come. He is such an energetic person, and I think there's a lot that someone has to learn from him as an actor.
आपको एहसास है कि अब आप इस इंडस्ट्री में आ रही हैं, आपको आलिया भट्ट, जानवी, सारा, इन लोगों के समकक्ष नापा जाएगा, और यू विल बी इन द लीग और पब्लिक लीग अमॉन्ग देमसेल्फ। आप इसको कैसे देखती हैं?
They're all very senior actors, first of all, and they're doing their work very well. I just want to do my thing and create an own space for myself. That's it.
आपका जो सेंटिमेंटल जो आप मारने वाला जो वायरल हो गया था, इस साल में कुछ नया कुछ देने का है लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि लोग आपके लिए उस वीडियो से आपका नाम बना, पूरे मुंबई में, पूरे महाराष्ट्र में, पूरे इंडिया में, पूरे वर्ल्ड में आपका नाम, तो कुछ टिप्स कुछ वैसा है जो इस साल आप देंगे?
अभी तो सब लोग ऐसे विंग के जैसे ही जानते हैं, पर what I want is कि people accept me as an actress as a whole, not just about the wing.
Thank you.
प्रिया, कहने समय मैं एक और लेंगे, मैम एक और ऑन द काउंट ऑफ प्रिया
मैम
उनको अकेले बता दीजिए।
Oh yeah, two. Ready? Okay, done.
Thank you.